Hello everyone. So, today we have with us Miss Sunakshi Bose, and she just got placed in MNC company as a data scientist. So, let's take her review about Adhyayan. So, Sunakshi, how did you hear about Adhyayan?
After completing my graduation, I was searching for the good institute to upskill myself, and my preferred domain was data science. So I searched on Google and on other platforms for the better institute, and in the end, I came across the Adhyayan. I saw the reviews, and then I got connected to the previously trained students from the Adhyayan, and then they told me that it's a very good institute for learning. So I got enrolled after that.
Okay. So, my next question to you is what motivates you to get admission in Adhyayan?
The thing motivated me to get admission in Adhyayan is that I saw here mentors are focusing on practical skills a lot, which is very important for get placed in IT industry. Theory, instead of yes, theory is also focused by them, but my practical knowledge was not good, and that's why I enrolled. And because of the mentors, they improved my practical knowledge, and I understand coding better through that. So
Okay.
yes, that's why.
So, what is your overall experience about Adhyayan?
My overall experience was very good because more than teaching in actual domain, there was other sessions which include mock interviews and aptitude tests, and creating a monthly tests for each
Yeah.
topic, and that improves me a lot, improves my knowledge and skills. Yes, so that's why.
Yeah, and what did you like the most about our program?
I like the most that the preparation of before getting placed or for interviews. So preparation is very important, and I like that very good focus on each student is very much important. And then did that they focused on each student particularly for
Yeah.
interviews, for aptitude. If they see student is lacking in this topic, then they specifically told that student, and then they told me that I was not good in one topic in Python. So they told me that you have to work on this. So I worked on that, then I get better.
How did Adhyan helps you to all over your journey to in for getting admission to placed in the company?
Okay, from admission, sir was there, Janardasan, I will say. He is very good and helped me a lot for getting admission, told me the process and makes the process easy to get admission in Adhyayan.
Yeah.
There was not so many of documentations required for getting placed. So yes, the enrollment was very easy. After that, starting of the course, I mentor focused on core concepts of my domain. I enrolled in data science. So yes,
Okay.
so the Python is very important for it. So the core Python, they focused a lot, and then I improved in Python. Then I started to improve in libraries and etc. So yes, overall things in Adhyayan are very good. Apart from technical, mock interviews are taken every Saturday. Aptitudes are taken every one day in a week, and everything was very good for me. So it literally helped me to improve.
So, would you recommend Adhyan to your friends, family, your
I
colleagues?
will definitely recommend to my friends, whether they want to place or whether they want to get trained. I will recommend Adhyayan for the both topics, because the individual focused to students is very much important. As compared to other institutes, I wanted a. I never feel that I am enrolling in the batches. I feel that someone is personally training me. So
Okay.
yes, so that is very important for me.
Yeah. Any suggestion to student looking to make a career in IT industry?
Yes, I will suggest that focus on technical knowledge and don't go so high in concepts. You have to stay very good at basics. Basics should be clear.
Yeah.
Basics understanding should be clear. No need to go for very high domain. If you want to enter, you need your basics clear, and you need your communication skills better. That's it for getting entry into IT. Yes.
Yeah. So my next question to you is, in these days we are heard so much rumors like there is no job for data scientists and no job for freshers. What would you say on that?
I will say yes, there are no jobs for freshers because they don't have skills and they don't have domain knowledge. They just wanted to get placed without gaining any skills. If you focus on improving yourself, if you focus on upskilling yourself, you will definitely get entry into IT.
Yeah.
Yes. So you have to focus on your skills, which are not skills are like, as I said previously, basics are very important. You have to work on that, and then you will get placed. It's not
Yeah.
like you have to gain so much knowledge or so much high level of technical knowledge. You do not need that. Companies are training people,
Yeah.
but you know that you are clear in this concept. That should be important.
So as we all know that you're placed as a data scientist in freshers category.
Yes.
So tell me about your placement journey.
So my placement journey is that placement drive has come in last month, end of the August, and I enrolled in that drive. And after that, there was 3 and 4 rounds of interviews I attempted. And during my interview journey, my mentors and Adelian professors focused a lot on us. Like they prepared our interview well. They checked our technical knowledge well before getting sitting for the interview, and they checked everything from body language to technical skills, how to communicate, how to handle pressure in interview. Every topic is was covered in my mock interviews and my aptitude test. So my journey was very good with Adyan. Also, I will say that I personally enrolled online. So I never feel that I should be enrolled offline so I can focus better. It's I don't think this thing should be exist, because if you want to learn, you can learn from anywhere, I would say. So I enrolled online. I get placed. It's not like you have to go offline only. So yes, if you focus on yourself, if you try to build yourself from scratch, and you will then you will get placed and you will achieve everything you want, I will say.
Okay. So Sonakshi, on the time of your admission in Adhyayan, so you get any guarantee about your placements?
No, I did not get any guarantee. I get a placement assurance through Adhyayan. As I got placed in US-based MNC research company, which is working on agentic AI. So these type of companies Adhyayan bring in institute. So Adhyayan assures me that I will get the placement calls and I will get the opportunity to sit in the interview. So I will say that if you are performing well in the interview, you will get placed. So placement guarantee concept is not working here. So placement assurance is very good from Adhyayan, and it helped me a lot. And yes, I get placed as a data scientist in freshers category. So placement assurance is very good in Adhyayan.
Okay.
Yes.
So how you feel to get placed in MNC, and what is this feeling is?
My feeling is very good. I am excited to learn. I'm excited, and also I got placed in my domain. Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
in my domain. So yes, I'm very much excited to learn new things. I'm excited to explore everything. I'm excited to how the agentic AI and data scientists work actually. So I'm very much excited.
Okay.
And I am confident that I will perform well in the company, and I
Yeah.
will bring the Adhyayan's name perfectly in company.
Okay, so thank you so much for coming.
Yes.
And all the best. We wishing you luck. And I know, we all know that you will
Yes.
prove yourself into the company.
Yes.
And yes, Adhyan is always there for you. Okay?
Thank you
So
so
all
much.
the best, Sonakshi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.